Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Sol, Solana USDT trading pair with my customer Sat. Let's dive in. Guys, I want to show you just local updates for Sol and remind you the global targets. So first of all, guys, take a look. This is a Sol USDT on the Binance, and this is a Sol USD global chart crypto. So basically, levels absolutely the same. So we're gonna analyze on the Binance. Here, this one. So targets, I remind you, for me personally, absolutely still the same. So my take for a new all-time high for Sol, because I don't think so. The $295.83 it was all-time high for Sol for this run. I believe in 373, 558. This is conservative price targets. I don't believe in also I don't how do they draw that cup and handle global one. Oh yes, this they draw like this one, you know. I showed it the chart, so this is like cup and handle, and the target of that cup and handle, they mark like 3K800. I don't know how exactly do that people count even that pattern. I have no idea. My conservative price target for Sol I shared. So for me personally, absolutely everything is still the same, still relevant. Also, why I don't think so this is the end of cycle, because we the BTC dominance is still over than 61%, not even under 55%. We're still over than 60%. So about what altcoin season or end of altcoin season we can talk about now, if we're not even started. So this is targets what I shared with you before. I want to show you the bad moment, and I want to show you now. Take profit. So here, the people always won't believe we will come back and test the buy line on daily time frame, on weekly time frame, especially on the weekly time frame. Guys, I don't want to scare you. You know, of course, I hope will not drop now that low to the buy line, but you can open the chart of, for example, Jasmine. Jasmine also pumped 2,000% gains, and we traded pretty good one at the top. Nobody even believed, so we will jump to the test the buy line on weekly time frame, but we tested. And keep in mind, 2 more weeks in March, and yes, we can dump to the buy line. Buy line, of course, dynamic. Now it's a weekly time frame, $85, around $85. So from this current price, it can be like 33% down, even more, 34% down, and from high, it can be like 71%. So yes, unfortunately, guys, at $85, under $100, everybody will start believing it in the bear market, and yes, bear market confirm it. We're going down, we're going to zero short position. So that's why I wish to see that dump. Based on what? I have no idea. Also, I don't like when we leave this liquidity pool and not sweep it. Let's mark it like a target. So imagine under this level, like psychological target, round number, by the way. And remember, in one of my videos, I explained to you, when we leave some round number, it's unreal. So we will not come back and not grab that liquidity, because have it even possible. So at 110 and 00, we stop it. So whole world traded as Solana, and we stop it exactly at that level, not like 110 and 15, not 109 and 93. Round number. That's why that stopped. It was by soft of market makers. I'm more than sure. It's not organic mode, so there is impossible. So we dump it. Of course, it's possible, but in theory, right? We dump it to 110, and everybody put a limit orders to buy, and we bounce, and everybody gonna go into the moon and become rich. No, because the people by human nature love to add the round number, right? And that's why most likely we can drop to the buy line. Now it's 84, so around 84 or 79. All lines are dynamic, guys. If we check monthly gap, so here, I don't think so will drop to $68. I don't think so. Can we drop so low? Of course we can, guys. It's just hypothetical questions. So it's hard to say where exactly we're gonna stop it. So maybe here, because it's just open space under. So we got only gap, only gap, only gap. So 3 gaps, and 50% of that gap can be like $74. For me personally, now it's hard to even imagine why should we drop to $72. All right, but everything possible. Everything possible. My all-time high targets, right? So check with the daily time frame here. Fundamental value of the daily time frame SOL, it's 94.88. 12 time frame, guys, all lines are dynamic here. 111.72 fundamental value, it's 83.96. So around this drop to 12-hour time frame fundamental volume, let's add alert, by the way. Fundamental price, 12-hour time frame. It will be, for me personally, it's good time to buy SOL. Now it looks not so brightful, not so positive for me when I check the SOL chart. Can, of course, be the story. So we hold the line here going to 380 or 550. And after that, come back to the buy line. Yes, of course, it's possible. Maybe it's real that that's cup and handle what everybody talk about. Maybe. But I wish, of course, to see the drop to the buy line, because if we will drop, we'll see more reasons to buy and not buy now and see the minus 40% more again from the deep, because you see the markets and the influencer and the calls all the time screaming buy the deep, but we already dumped it like 50%. And after another deep, we get another deep. So unfortunately, no money inflow, guys. Of course, I'm not telling you not buying the SOL now or sell SOL now. Guys, it's hard to say. I wish to see that zones, that target, because I see the reasons and it looks logical. Of course, market doesn't have to be always logical, but here, this is money inflow, money inflow, money inflow. Now, no money inflow, nothing. 1, 2, 3 bearish every side awareness on a weekly. I don't know why the people go and buy the SOL at 200, 220. So if the time to buy SOL was here in 27 block or even under 27 block, this one. Now we're trying to hold a line at 23. So around with a weak candle, yes, maybe you're gonna test 75, the zero level. Maybe. But guys, it's just a rhetorical question. Can we drop or not? Of course we can. I share my idea, what I wish to see on SOL. And at this point, I think the all altcoins going down on SOL, and we will see the good bounce after 100% withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Here, now we see the good, bullish RSI. This one, MACD bullish one. That's why I wish to see one more awareness, right? New money inflow and reversal move. So this is what about the local one, ADZ direction. Local one, guys, take a look. This was the top of the top. Now we're just in the middle. Main accumulation was here. I wish to see that sweep of that logical liquidity pool, right? And some awareness. They were a tiny one, but they weren't. We at the bottom without any going to the bottom, but without any signal for accumulation. This was a signal to out. Daily time frame. Daily, of course, you can speculate it. That's why, guys, I'm not at any new position now. I wish to see the bigger awareness on the daily, especially like this one. Here, the 138 was a local bottom, and I wish to see something like this one and going higher. Maybe I will share the idea on TradingView. So we'll check. Take a look. Market mood and trade on. Guys, week, monthly time frame. Sell. Last time sell was here. Finally, market a little bit come down. So here we now like it was in September, some 24. So on a monthly, on a weekly, guys, it's much better. Take a look. We are in depression, in capitulation zone since the beginning of March. We're in capitulation. Last time capitulation we see here. Last time, not the first time. Last time it was December 2022. You remember. So now the sentiment on the Sol, the market's mood, the same like it was in December 2022, or even FTX collapse. So just compare the market mood. Sell, I wish to see some buyback signal on a weekly and daily. Of course, it's like local intraday. Sell, drop, bounce. You could fix the profit here around 40%, dump it back. That's why, guys, if you trade intraday, of course you can use it, but with proper risk management. I'm waiting the sweep of this liquidity pool, test 90, 83. I wish to see the stop, test the buy line, and targets still relevant. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about a Sol. Do you think it was an all-time high, end of cycle for Sol or not? And what is your all-time high targets? If you would like to trade with my customer Chris or showed on this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.